Molweni sanibonani. Today is the day of Suikerbosrand Nature Reserve hike. We're going on a hike and I'm really so excited. I'm just packing my bag now. Got a small backpack. I mean, I would have preferred to have a sling, but I don't have one, so hike. This be the fit. This be the fit. Tourism department, baby. Got on cute cropped tackies, you know. We're pink and black babies today. Alright. So I'm gonna put the cooler in the bag and baby, I'm gonna get some hand cream because yeah, it's on. Anyway, let's go. It's go time. Suikerbos stew, and we're gonna have a good time. But I'm gonna drive, and I'm gonna let the good people of South African women in business have their time, and let's get the show on the road. Yeah.
Action.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Sherry and Sanbonari. My name is Kofelo Mashalanya, and I'm the CEO of South African Women in Business.
Yeah, ask it, you man. You go ballet to audition. Please don't sprain your ankles. Oh, we're here. Usele. Who passed away? We're looking at which guy? Look at how pretty this is. Can y'all hear that? This weather is vicious right now. Vicious. But anyway, greetings, babies. Today is Sunday. It's the evening already. I was just resting the whole day and I had some things to do. And then I said, you know what? Let me sit down and edit. Now I've got time to edit. But no, I'm going to edit an excuse of a vlog. 3 minutes worth of footage. I know that is like nothing. My battery died. I genuinely was so heartbroken that I could not film every single thing because it was such a lovely day. It was so amazing. We got to the peak of the mountain and we took some photos. I drank the water up there. It's some fresh storm water. And it was so fresh. It was so beautiful. But it was only a 4.5 kilometer walk, so it wasn't that challenging at all. After the walk, Swatle Bath Salts, which is a small local business, presented their brand to us, presented their business, and explained to us about bath salts whilst we soaked our feet in whichever bath salts that you wanted. There's certain ones like indigo, buttercream, lavender. It's got essential oils and all of the benefits. Such a lovely experience. It was so refreshing. after that, we mingled, we networked, and then we ate, just like you guys saw. We went, we saw, we came back by the grace of God. Everyone is safe, no one got hurt, and it was such a lovely experience. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will definitely see you guys in the next video, and have a lovely week further. Cheers, guys.